I'm having a white girl moment. I said that out loud, forgetting that I was actually streaming. That's how I actually feel on the inside. I am having a white girl moment. I'm in my feelings. I'm in my feelings. My feelings are in me. And we are one. Me and my feelings are one. Lord, you ever thought about that? You trying to find a soulmate? Your feelings are your soulmates. Mm. Shut. How did you get here? Nobody's supposed to be here. What's up, Roja? How the hell did you get here so fast? Where do y'all get the notifications from? Oh shit. Oh shit. How was work? My bad for the jump scare earlier. Sorry for Discord ping, but just wondering the React course. Do you plan on? I don't care if I do not care if you ping me on Discord. That's one thing I do not care. Ping away as long as it's not stupid shit. I don't care if you ping me. Um. Yeah, I plan on it. I always plan on finishing the course. Okay, you get push notifications. Ping away. Adula who? What's up? Ping me on the Discord. You are free to ping and send me messages in my inbox. I don't give a damn. I don't see. I don't know. I don't see the point of that. That's the part I don't care about. You know, the only thing I care about is stupid shit. Don't don't bother me with stupid shit. You are free to message me or ping me. I don't give a damn. Work was good, bro. Was vibe coding away at work. My boss got me the pro plan for Claude. Shit. Okay. Exactly. Shit. There we go. There we go. If that's what they want. What's up, Nav? Oh, thank you, Nav. Thank you for telling me that. Man, if that's what they want. Shit. Okay. If that's what they want. What's up, Jacob? Jacob, have you been streaming? Are you still working a lot? I feel like I've seen you, but I haven't seen you. It's like, it's weird because I'm so used to you streaming that you're not streaming. So I'm still thinking it's like your stream, it's like stream inception. Like, okay, that's fair, Roja. The Secret World of Arietta? Arietti? Arietti? Oh, oh, my back. My back. Mm. Y'all. Okay. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. It's weird. Oh, wow, I thought you were streaming this whole time. It's weird. Alright, now that I'm finished advertising my body all over the internet, let's jump into some. I'm glad I left this note for myself. Y'all see that? Would y'all rather me on this side of the screen? It's windy as hell here in USA. So yeah, friend of ours. I didn't understand what she was talking about today. This has to do with what you just said, Roja. She said the Home Shield, American Home Shield came out to check her garage door, and they said that she would need a whole new garage door, and I was like, bullshit. So then I called my aunt's uh my aunt's dad, and I was like, something's wrong at the other house. We might need to go over there, or can I go over there and lift the garage up? I said, this has happened before. There's no reason we can't lift the garage up and just put it, lock it in place. So then he went over there and checked. The wind blew a hole into the garage, and then you know how the garage has a track that goes inside the garage? It like yanked that. I don't know how wind did that. I don't know. But yeah. So that's a thing. Just want to let y'all know that that's a thing that happened. So I don't know what's going on with the wind. I honestly thought it was going to rain heavier here, but it was all right. Malachi, you are wet, and I don't want to hold you. I'm sorry. I know you want cuddles and shit, but your mom is in the other room, and I know she be sneaking you treats and shit. All right. So today, how do y'all feel about me being on the right side of the screen? Somebody told me they couldn't see the code, so maybe. How y'all feeling about that? All right. Okay. Okie dokie. So I need to start using the command for terminal. The command for terminal is something I just said I'll probably never use that. What is that? Control Shift. Yeah, I don't see myself doing this in the future. We need a better command for that thing. Damn, I gotta leave this thing open. Yeah. Oh well. Ooh. Ooh, why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? Why? And you're not giving me an error. Ooh. Oh. Why are you doing that? Let's see. Oh. No, stop. Stop that. I want you to act right. Okay? React. Yesterday and today, you have given me problems. I won't lie. I can take responsibility for some of them, but nobody told you to re-render the page. You React, you told me that when state, okay, or props change, it will force a re-render. And then today you told me that when changing a state, you don't change it right then and there. You change it for later. You schedule the change. Nobody told you to do that, React. You told me at the beginning of our relationship, React, that you were going to re-render on state and prop change. And when I heard that, I'm like, okay, I change a state, I change a prop, you re-render that component or whatever. And you lied to me. Today, I learned that you schedule shit and you're asynchronous in your state updates and you hold snapshots and you make schedules. You did not tell me that was a part of our relationship. And I feel betrayed. I don't know how we're going to move forward in our relationship. I don't know how we're going to do this. You've hurt me. Hold on, what? This was just working. Like, literally, this was just working. So why isn't it working now? Can I do... Oh. Oop. Oh. Okay. So we need to put this in. I thought I already put it there. Oh, it's right here. Why isn't it working now? Ooh, that's not good. That's just not good. Okay. We have a FAQ now. You can go to the FAQ and that will be answered. All right, let's see. Weather data. Okay, so let me think. Then I come over here and I said, that's what I was thinking, but I don't think it likes that. That's that's not the problem, but I get what you're saying. All right. We haven't set param yet. We set param to null. This would be the perfect spot. I hope I find something. Thank you. This would be a perfect spot for like a detect location thing. You know what I mean? Maybe I should have it default to a place. But I do need to learn how to do that, like, so that when people can come to the page, well, when people come to a page, they don't want to see empty data. They don't want to see empty stuff. Hmm. Okay. I think I know. I think I understand. Um, I think we can continue now. Okay. Dang, I forgot what that object looks like. What's up, Clutch? I forgot what that object. Hold on, I forgot to start the Tyru. No, I did start it. Damn. Oh, there we go. Perfect. This is what the object looks like. Oh, hold on. Did I ask y'all? Y'all okay with me on the right-hand side of the screen? Somebody told me. I don't know. It don't matter to me. Dang, I forgot to turn it on. I think as long as you're on the other side of the code, I like it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, because somebody was complaining that they couldn't see all of this. I forget who it was, but they were right. I never thought about it. What was I doing? So we're in current. It's called relative humidity. Hold on, is that what it's? Hold on. Is that what it's called? Okay. Then we have wind. Of course, we do another weather data dot current dot wind underscore speed underscore 10 minutes. Oh, gonna have to change that. And then we have precipitation. What's up, Malore? Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, yeah, that's right. All right, and then we want to hold on. It doesn't give us location on here. I didn't see that. Damn, 3 ads? God. Listen, sometimes I forget to turn monetization on, but I didn't know it was doing 3 ads in a row. That is crazy. That is excessive. I was thinking like at least one every so often. But 3? God damn. Oh shit. Ah, let me think. What's up? Not really. I talked about it. When I finish streaming, I come wash it. I come clean the kitchen because I know it's not clean, and I come talk to you. Is D coming over?
On the phone for 3 hours. And he told me to call him for 30 minutes.
Oh, yeah, I'll be all right. I'll come talk to you about it. I was not muted. How's the doggo? He's good. He playing. Oh yeah, Vietnam. Well, at least now y'all know I'm feeling like crap. I was not trying to. What the hell is going on with this? Why did that happen? Why? Oh, That's that. That is that bullshit. I'm telling y'all. Yeah, W Vietnam. We have a large Vietnamese population here, by the way, because of war after World War II. Man, why are you for what? That's that bullshit. Bullshit. Nah, it doesn't. Oh, it's down there. Well, isn't that just nice? Stop. Act right. Isn't it? Can it be inline? Is that what it is? There's block. Now it doesn't want to. Why isn't it auto completing? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Sometimes I feel like I over rely on Flexbox, but at the same time, I only care because I stream it. But really, I could use Flexbox everywhere and I don't care. I don't care. What y'all gonna do? Fight me? What you gonna do about it? That's what I thought. Fight me. Fight me. Oh, oops. I'd be shocked if I saw any modern company using flows. Yeah, sometimes I get a little like insecure because up. I know we're not supposed to do this. I know y'all rarely see me do it, but I'm doing it today. Fight me. Fight me now. Oh, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We just can't win, man. We just cannot win. Okay, it's gonna stay like that. That's where it's gonna stay. Remember to change this unit. All right. So now what we need to do, we need to work on this date. Date, 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 date. Which I'm not good at dates, so because I'm being transparent, I want to ask Claude. Take that now. Then we need to parse the date. Parse. Brother. Eh. Hold on, so how would I do that? I hope it does pay off. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Bite by bite. So, I swear, the date object eludes the hell out of me. And I feel like this is incorrect. That's not a function. Can I chain it? Keep saying date.now that I give month. Dot parse. Oh. Oh. Alright. Can I do... Nope. Okay. Now I will use Claude. I've never seen this pattern before. I thought you always had to set another one. So it just sets it. Oh. So it just sets it. Oh. I don't know what that means, but what's up? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I am easily startled. That scared the hell out of me. All right, well then, use ref is basically I mean, when I do something like this, when I say const, if I do const use ref, that's like setting a Isn't it like setting a global, like a static variable in C# or something like that? Or something static, Java, whatever. Const. Okay, so what's the... Oh. So what are you saying? Are you saying I should put it here? Brother. Hold up. Why is a use effect inside of a function? I've never seen this before. Oh, no, it's not. Hold on. Yes, it is. This whole thing is a function. Why is use effect here? Oh, this is a component. It's still telling me that this is not right. Oh, break. Okay, well, at least I know. At least I know I'm not alone. I thought that was like it kept. I don't know, man. Even Claude said, Claude, what did Claude just say? Claude was like, "This is a linter rule, not a runtime area. It's being overly strict." And I think it's just gonna take some time. I don't know. Yeah, it's just vanilla React. I haven't got to next yet. Oh my god, that just Roha. My god. We went from people were just saying you're using vanilla JavaScript. Now people are saying, oh, you're just using vanilla React. Leave me alone. Oh my God. Horrible. Horrible. Vanilla Shamilla. What's up, Ants? Oh my God. We can't win. Yeah, we can't win. Trust me, when I say this, Next.js is not that different at all. You can honestly pick it up right now and you won't even notice. Oh. I'll get to it, I'm sure. It's in the course that I'm taking. Woo. Oh my God. Na 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 na. You want your freedom there. Who am I to disagree? What's the name of that song? Oh yeah, there we go. Fleetwood Mac. What's up? What's up, Mohammed? I think I can set ads to low. If it's hitting too much, I'll fix that. Fleetwood Mac had another song that got popular during the pandemic. I forget what it was. Oh yeah. Somebody in the chat was telling me they like Future Raj. I like SoundCloud's UI. Did I force it on dark mode? No, it just comes like that. Beautiful. Hey, what's up, Kay? Oh, I did that wrong. Hmm. Oh. How do you spell February? February, March, April. No, it is. It is difficult, and it's kind of kicking my ass right now. Uh, it's gonna be okay. When I'm learning a lot during this project, it is kicking my ass though. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be all right. Which is fine. All right, so we got the month, the day, and we need the actual date. What's up, KR? Struggling through React, questioning my life. I already put it here. That's not how that works. Yeah, so I need it. Oh my god, this music got very serious. Man, UK Garage. They got serious. It's like they telling a whole different story. I like this though. I'm gonna share it with y'all. Did I already share it? I'm not even listening to the rant. I'm listening to that. Okay. Oh crap. I gotta put these in order. Hmm. This music makes it sound like living in the UK is like a dangerous activity. Damn. Okay, so now all I need is a function that runs through that stuff. So I said just use a lookup table. Mind your business. Where the lookup table at? Oh, no, it wouldn't have worked though. Because we already have icons here. Are these different icons? Yeah, these are different icons. And his lookup table is completely different. So no. No, sir. People will like do this and do that. No, no, sir. No, sorry, Bob. So now I need a function, but before we even get to that, let's just go to the daily forecast. What I need to do with daily forecast. Do. Daily forecast in the house. Daily forecast in his house. So what did I call it? Weather daily container and then weather daily. Each day has a thing. So what's going to happen is that for each day, we need the temperature. Thank you, Roha. I appreciate you, man. Trying to see. So we got the temperature data. Current units. Oh, this sounds good. Okay, what was I doing? Okay, so we have the weather daily container, and then inside the weather daily container, let me just verbalize this right quick. In the weather daily container, we have these weather daily items that I just put there just for now. All right, break. Hmm. What's up, Nunya? What's up? How's it going? How's your journey been treating you? Well, it has its ups and downs. Right now, I'm learning a lot in this project that I didn't know. So it's another one of those projects where I'll learn a lot from it, but it's gonna be slow. I'm hoping I can finish it this week. I think the only thing that's the problem is like how I think, because no matter how much I do, I'll never feel like it's enough. Like, so I'll constantly feel like I'm coding slow, which I probably do, and so yeah. But I try not to. I'm trying not to bitch and complain about it, but it is what it is. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I might as well enjoy it. Nah, it's Kairu. Do you see the URL? KAIRU.app. I recommend it. I use an app called Pomo Focus. Like if you look at my older videos, I was using an app called Pomo Focus for my Pomodoro. But I like this one better because it keeps track of all the. Who told me about this? I need to start keeping track of who tells me what. Like I need to start writing it down. But no, I recommend this. Like honestly, these Pomodoros are the only reason I can have longer streams. That's it. Ooh, this is a nice keyboard. Oh my god. I've been looking up dashboard UIs for inspiration for my project that I'm probably gonna start next week. Well, it's not probably. It got to be started. I think I'm gonna make it into a whole case study. And you know what? You know what's something I always wanted to get into? I should just do all the things I want to do. I've always wanted to get into I got into I have a whole FL Studio. I purchased it a while back, like some years ago, and I want to learn how to make like certain not beats, but like just my own like cuz I like garage, I like UK garage, I like experimental stuff. I need to get into that. I need to get into it. You know, for some years I've been saying, and it's crazy, like I know it's crazy how you will notice that everybody's kind of on the same wavelength. Because you'll start thinking about things, and then videos will come out with people thinking the same thing. Like I've been thinking in my mind for a few years. Like we're gonna go through a renaissance. We're gonna go through another renaissance, but a different type. Maybe a digital. It's gonna be It's gonna be different. I think we're just in a transition phase, and art is gonna take off. People are gonna want different things. That's why I'm thinking with this project that I'm doing next week, I should put my whole spirit into that thing. Like really, I should have fun with the UI. Be really creative. I just got to figure out how I'm gonna do that. Ooh. Oh, what? Hold on, what? We going on an adventure with this. Hold on, I wish I knew what some of these people look like. The people. Oh, that's a horrible. I hate that link. I hate a long link. Make links great again. No, not like that. But you know what I mean. I ain't one of them. Not one of them. Where did I put my? Oh, it's right here. I think I can do another hour. All right. All right. Let's see what we can get done. So I know I want to create. I know I want to create different one of these, like a whole, like in a, you know, want to map over and create them with a function. But the thing is, the daily forecast, they have a high, they have a low, right? But I guess what I'm confused about is, I guess, does this array match? So 311 would be, so it's saying that the max here would have been 81.3, and then the low, but it's starting today. It'll start on this day, but, and then we have a, the hell is that? What? Oh, so we got it. Okay. So we got a time, the min, the max, and the time. The date. So what I need to do is find a way to convert this in and find out, you know. Okay, how to convert year. Okay. How to get the day from, what was it? Year, month. Year, month, day. Year, month, day. How to get the day from, oh, so it's already formatted properly. Year, month, day. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Hold on. No, this is the end. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So I would have to create a new date object. Barnacles. So okay. Barnacles. Foolishness. Okay, so weather daily. Oop, let me push right quick. Hold up. Did I already push today? Because I do want my... You know, I want my green squares. I could have sworn I did this earlier. Yeah, I did it early. So I could create a new date object. Alright, so what I'm thinking is that I will grab this, this, and this. I'll put it into an array or an object or whatever. And then I'll say, well, it's already there. I don't need to do that. I could just say daily. And then I'll say, okay, so 0, I'll create a new date and I'll determine what day that is from this. So let's do that first. I am Dovelet. Thank you, good sir. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is so okay, so we got the okay, so what we need to do is take, I want to pass some data to the weather container. Okay, so I'm gonna say we're gonna pass the, not the location info, but we want this object, and that object is is in the current location, I believe. Let's see. Okay, console.log data. All right. So we're just gonna take the weather data. Okay, weather data. So we are going to say weather daily container weather equal weather data. Weather daily container weather. All right, and then we're gonna say, so if I console.log weather, oh wow, oh, it re-rendered a couple of times. Alright, at least we know we got it. So it's right there. So we know weather is there. So what do we want to do? Let's see. Let's go back. Let's do weather dot what is it? Weather dot daily dot time. You can't just print out the entire array? can I say dot time 0 then? Okay, yeah, I could do that. I just wanted the whole array, damn. Alright, there we go. Stream keeps buffering and it's making me mad. I wonder why. You should apply at YouTube. I mean, why not? I wonder if it's me. I could check. Let's see. Streamception. No, I don't see nothing. Well, who knows? What if I'm able to see it better because I'm the one streaming it? I don't know if that's how that works. I feel like that's not how that works, but whatever. Whoa. You don't like your Wi-Fi? You don't have good Wi-Fi and you don't have good Wi-Fi where you are? How long you been out there in SA? Oh, I can't even say that on the internet. I thought I would use the 2 letters, but now that I heard it out loud, I realize I can't say that out loud. How long have you lived where you are? Jesus. Nothing is safe anymore. Alright, so we got an array. So what we'll need to do is my whole life, brother, man, born and raised. Oh, okay. Let me think. Okay, so what do I want to do? I want to take the individual index. I guess I got to create a new date object or something. I can't just... Man, there has to be an easier way. No, I'm gonna just do it the hard way. Whatever. There's no getting around what I gotta do. I just gotta do it. Alright, so I want to go through each one of the things in the array. And then... fonts times equal new equal weather dot daily dot time dot map time new date fonts container equal new date. Can I pass time in there? Yeah, I could pass time in there. And then I'll say return container dot get day. Something like that. All right. What am I doing wrong? Oh. This should actually be days. All right. All right, cool. So then what I want to do is I want to pass weekdays to this thing. I'm going to say weekdays. I'm going to go here and I'm going to say weekdays equal weekdays. So we got weekdays, week daily container, and so then let me think. Yeah. And then we'll say return weekdays day. All right, so we got it. And so the next thing we need to do is, so that's going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so that'll go with the temperatures. Okay. So what we need to do is go to the weather daily. And the weather daily needs to take not only the day, but it needs to take the min and max temperatures. And we're just going to default that to 0. So it doesn't act a fool. Max. Min. Oop, min. Then we got the day is right there. All right. Okay. So then what I could do is if I come back over here, I could actually weekdays day dot, because it's a string. Is it dot slice 0 to 4? Okay, close. 0 to 3. Okay, cool. So now we got the first 3. I don't know if y'all can see that, but now we got the first 3 letters of each one, so we could just fill it in. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So that gives us all the days in that week. All right. And then what I need to do is, so we got weekdays. These are 0. I need to, now that I got each day, and I got the indexes, because this is an array, I could probably just do a for each. Do I really want this in the weather daily container? Let me think about this. Because I passed weather. I got to think about how I want to do this. I passed weather here. So what would I need? So okay. Let me think. So I need to min the max. So I would need to pass console.log. Where is it? So I would need to pass data, which is weather data, to that. Or I could just handle it all here. Yeah, I don't think I need to handle it all here. Okay, so Oh. What the hell am I supposed to do? What's up, W King? That's crazy. So what the hell am I supposed to do? Oh shit, it's going endlessly. Ooh. Oh shit. Okay, so okay. Okay. So then, hold on. I went through this before, and how did I figure this out? Dang. This is where sometimes React confuses me, and I guess this is a pain point. Cause right here I was able to set weather data, and it wasn't a problem. Maybe because it's an async function. Maybe because it just yeah, I'm getting confused. I gotta make sure that doesn't happen again though. It's a clear, but it's never used. So could I do? Shit, it did the same thing. How do I stop this? All right. Okay, so what I need is for when the weather data is updated. When the weather data gets updated, I need to run this function. All right, let me see, because I'm kind of confused. And Java, it is really, this is really something that confuses me with React. You know what? I hate ESLint. I hate this linter, whatever it is, because it was like, and why is this messed up? Yeah. You thought I was the type to never, oh, I don't know why you thought that. Now I was saying that, oh, I can't do this, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Why, man, React is really kick. That is insane because, okay, so it's, the linter is extremely strict. It says it's missing a dependency. But no, I want the dependency array because I wanted to update when weather. Shut up. Shut up. Whenever weather data updates, I need that. Man. I don't like these squigglies though. I guess I'm gonna just have to live with the squigglies because it's wrong. But I'm right. Alright. Who is gonna take your place, baby? Nobody better. Oh, baby, baby, we belong together, baby. Now, weekdays is created once and never changes, so it won't retrigger your use effect. Then you can say, hold on, let me show y'all what it says. Okay. So, number one, this told me that I needed to add a dependency. So, I added the dependency, and that caused an endless loop. But I just did what it told me to do, which I'm going to have to... I'm realizing that I'm fighting against tools and AI and myself. Okay, so this is what I did. Okay, so I was right the first time. But what threw me off was this thing right here. It was like, React hook use effect has a missing dependency weekdays. Either included or remove the dependency array. For somebody who is new to React, that is extremely irritating to see this try to correct me and then it cause a problem. Get the hell out of here. You're making me mad. And I don't like it. I don't like it. I do not like it. I don't like it at all. You're making me mad. You're strict. You're mean. You're a mean person. I don't like you. Yeah. All right. So now that we got, so this is all that I wanted. I'm gonna show y'all what I wanted. All I wanted was this down here. You see how the array starts, right? Bam, 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 bam. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that matches with this. Bam, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And we start on the right day. So now all I have to do is create these. That's all. React, you're supposed to make my life easier. Sometimes I feel like I could do this in vanilla.js easier, easily. Or maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I don't know what I'm talking about. But I don't like that this is red, and I don't like that this is red, and I don't like that this is underlined in yellow. It makes me feel like VS Code is yelling at me and trying to slap me in the mouth. I don't like that feeling. Either way, once date order is updated, what we need to do here is populate all of these things. Yeah, try asking Claude. Trust me, it'll help. Yeah, it just did. What I really hate, what I really don't like, and this has happened 3 times in this project, is where ESLint, the linter or whatever, corrects me. I'm thinking, okay, I'm wrong, and I do what the linter tells me to do, and then it still doesn't work. So then I put it into Claude, and Claude tells me, no, do this, which is what I did before ESLint tried to correct my ass. Damn. Get on my damn nerves. Shut up. Shut up, Grading Goberry, whatever the hell your name. Shut up. Alright, so we got that. The next step is to, what I could do is I could say that oh shit, here we go with what's better, and the brigade has come out. Now what's better. No, this is better. No, this is better. No, this is better. This is better. Oh, nah, I don't have those problems, Dark, whatever. I don't be having them type of problems. And I don't like the idea of copying and pasting from Claude. I don't like that, and I won't start doing that shit. The only time I use Claude is when when my flabber is gasted and my gasket is flabbered. And I have tried every single thing, and I'm like, okay, well, what's wrong? So I'm proud of you, man, for not using AI to code for you. Thank you. Yeah, that's never gonna happen. I'll use it for advice. I use like yesterday. No, was that earlier today or was that yesterday? We were having a problem. Was that use effect again? What was it? Yeah, I think it did have to do with use effect. Okay, so I didn't know that if you use effect and then you set a state and then you try to console log that state right there, React doesn't like that shit. React said, hold on, no. You're holding me accountable. I don't want you to hold me accountable. But sometimes when you just don't know what to do, or how to do something, what do you know? What do? You know what I mean? Yeah, I know what you mean, but I try to exhaust all options before I get to that point because I feel like it helps me learn better. So for example, the time when I updated state and use effect. So I thought that you see how I updated the state right here, set day order, right? Here's the state, set day order. I thought that I could just come behind it and do one of these. You cannot do that. React does not do that. You would think, I'm thinking, okay, we set state or we change props, it re-renders, and then here's the data. Here it is. Just here it is. No. React schedules shit. React is a secretary. It said, hell no, you holding me accountable. I didn't say I was gonna do that right now. I'm actually gonna do it later. Fuck you. So that was something I learned. I'm trying to learn to work with LLMs. I suck at front end. Oh, front end not bad, man. Honestly, I the only time I ever use Claude to help with front end is when I have to position something absolutely. I think they call it a batching thingy. Whatever, batch, heap, container, pile of shit. I don't know what it is. Okay, I understand. We don't want to do a whole bunch of re-renders, but as a beginner, don't tell me I'm ranting now. As a beginner, don't tell me that if I change a prop and I change a state that it's going to re-render and show me information. Don't and then say, "Oh no, we were lying. It's actually scheduled, bitch." No. Uh-uh. Mm-mm. No. Yes. Positioning, it seems like every project, every single one, when it comes to absolutely positioning something, it's not a problem to move it. The only problem is centering it. I don't know. A couple of days? How long have I been working on it? I mean, you would have to go back a day or two. Is this day 2 or 3? Today is Wednesday. I think I started Monday. I'm pretty much at the end of the stream. Like, usually I wait till my Pomodoro, but I think I'm spent for today. Damn, I should have left a note for myself. I'll remember this. I'll remember these squiggly ass lines. This is where we were. And I'll remember when I see the console log, I'll be like, okay. Was the Odin project helpful? I'm gonna tell you this. Everybody learns differently. I think some people, like for example, free code can't work for some people. Maybe it doesn't always work for me, but it works for some. The Odin project, the only thing that I credit the Odin project with teaching me is Git. Right? I thought their Git tutorial was really good. It helped me a lot. But as far as doing the projects in the way they wanted to do it, I don't like that. The way I like to learn is I like to learn theory, and then once I learn that theory, I like to immediately put it into practice at least 2 to 3 times. Then I like to go to AI and I say, hey, AI, give me some exercises so that I can submit this knowledge. And then I do it over and over again until I got it, right? Like, for example, there was a whole week I spent on map, filter, and reduce. I just could not understand those things. Once I hit map, filter, and reduce, it was like I just didn't get it. I did exercise after exercise after exercise after exercise until map, filter, and reduce became second nature. All right. So yeah, that's how I learned. So I don't use the Odin project. I feel like on the first render, weather data is empty, dude. You should add the safeguard if weather data. Weather data is empty? Weather data ain't empty. Look at it. It's right here. But I'll do that. I'll think about doing that next time. No. No. Nope. All right. So yeah, but I'm not changing it. Let's see. I don't. Yeah, thanks, man. I don't like doing the way they do it. The way I like to do it is by tackling a project head on, and every time I hit a wall on a feature, I'd ask Claude. Yeah, that's how. Yeah, that's how I like to do it too. Do 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 do. Oh, let me set. I'll stay for 10 more minutes. I'm tired. There is a. If y'all want to join the Discord, there is an advice section in the Discord. You can put advice here. Join the Discord. Yeah, it is really good. I like Claude more than anything else. I use Gemini for other things. Have the focus apps helped you stay focused, or how are you so focused on the journey? Bro, tripping. I'm very confused about you because I see you in other streams and I can't. Are you a developer or not? Like, what do you do? What do you do? Like, are you a beginner? Are you a developer? What do you do? Before I answer that question. Bruh, tripping. Why do people do that to me on stream? They come in, they come in, they say something, and then I talk back to them, and then they just disappear. Why? 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 Yes, developer, going on year 3, but my journey wasn't always focused like you. You're saying, oh, easy, bro. We look at the future of us having 6-figure salaries. Okay. Bro, tripping. Are you saying that I'm more focused than you were? Let me know because I'm curious, you know, especially since you're already in the field. I'm learning from you because a lot of times when I do this, I feel like I'm not. I was just in the Discord today feeling like I'm not doing enough. I feel like, I don't know. I feel like I literally feel like I'm not doing enough. Or maybe I'm not moving fast enough, or maybe I'm not understanding things enough. I don't fucking know. But yeah, the Pomodoro has helped me to answer your question. Is it 119 days since you started from zero, or you had? Yeah, it's 119 days. I swear, man, it's like it's like yeah, bro, tripping. The Pomodoro does help me a lot. Remember, I thought I was not doing enough, but then I realized that I learned HTML, CSS, and a nice amount of JavaScript in 3 weeks. So honestly, I'm proud of the progress. I put around 5 to 6 hours a day into it, though. Hell yeah. No, man, you're doing great. Better than most, in my opinion, who are self-taught in this journey. You're ready for it. You feel like I'm ready for a job? That would be nice if I got a job. Shit. Well, we start on next week. We starting on the big project, which is gonna be my big portfolio project. So I'm assuming maybe it'll take me a month or more. I don't know, but I'm gonna try my best. But yeah, Pomodoro has helped me. But remember, I don't know if you remember. I don't know how long, because I feel like you've been with me for a long time, bruh, tripping. Um, I I have focus issues. I have ADHD. I had really so I had to fight to learn how to focus. Um, yeah, it's easy to think that you have a lot of competition. Not gonna lie, but then you realize that the majority of people got generic portfolios and skills. So you got this. Okay, dark whatever. Where are you from? Are you trying to get in? Are you trying to? Where are you in your web development journey? Dark whatever. Lord, this would have been a perfect. Let me tell y'all something. I'm gonna tell y'all something about me. Absolutely ready. If you just doing HTML, CSS, JS, CMS related stuff for a job, you're good. The React stuff can still be learned and applied at your new job. It comes up or get a job after. It would be nice if somebody just hired me for HTML, CSS, JS, CMS related stuff. Man, you know what? This is one of those nights because I was kind of stressed today. This I love to hit a blunt and clean. I have problems. I will hit give me the blunt. This whole thing will be clean. All of this house will be cleaned. 2 to 3 week in, and I'm currently learning JavaScript. Oh, that's cool. Have fun in JavaScript land. JavaScript land ain't bad. I prefer React land though. I would prefer the problems that React gives me than the problems that JavaScript would give me sometimes. Yeah. But I think my JavaScript problems were just ignorance. My React problems are like I feel like I'm fighting with React. I'm fighting with VS Code. I'm damn. It seems like the only person that's really on my side is the people that are watching and Claude. It seems like React And this linter, whatever the hell it is like really fighting my ass every corner, at every turn. By the way, make sure y'all like and subscribe. JavaScript is a bitch, but apparently I need to get my JS straight before I start with, yeah. I spent a lot of time with JavaScript before I hit React. People ask that. I don't know, maybe they can't tell because I be struggling, but I spent some time with JavaScript before I hit React. Y'all know. I didn't hit React until my big project, my first big project, which was the recipe finder website, which was kicking my ass for the longest. I'm a few days into trying to learn C, first time learning a coding language though. That's an interesting one to choose for your first one, but you know, good luck. Or maybe it's not. Maybe it's a good one. Yeah, I mean, what do I know? I mean, it don't matter. As long as you learn it and you happy. As long as you learn it and you happy. Hello, I wasn't focused like you when I got started. I had less skills than you know now when I got my first couple jobs. I work with PHP and JS at my current and still learning as I go. Oh shit. Shit. It's hard to, it really truly is hard to find a job. I put in applications, man. I just don't know. I really don't know where to apply, but some of the viewers have helped me out. Like this project that I'm doing right here is so I can be a part of this other thing called C has insane learning curve, and I honestly don't think it's worth it when it comes to getting jobs. It's not as highly sought after as JavaScript. I've heard that. I've also heard the the opposite, which is that C and C plus embedded systems stuff, that's something that AI can't touch, so, or it can't touch right now, it doesn't understand it. So yeah, I'm doing this weather app to submit it to this program because they want you to do some type of thing so that you can be a part of the program. And then I'm going to be in their their React course. So their React, learn front-end web applications using popular React framework based in JavaScript. And then I plan on maybe doing their Node. Let's see. Here's their lesson by lesson. No, I declined. No, after you apply for a job, they want you to join like a little group or something. I declined like to join the little group where they just send you notifications. It doesn't. It's not even job related. I saw you decline Robert Half on LinkedIn, and just now when I hopped on, they helped me land a couple of contract jobs on the side jobs you can do for sure. Simple. Okay, well, let's look up some Robert Half stuff. The lights. Hold up. Did I already sign up for this? No, I don't think I did. I think I'm gonna try. I'm gonna do Robert Half tomorrow. Yeah. So I'll do this in the morning tomorrow. All right, y'all. Well, it's noted. All right. Well, it's been fun. I have streamed for 3.5 hours. I am going to go do some chores, clean up, sweep, and then carry my black behind to bed. My brown booty. All right. Y'all have a great one. I'll see y'all later. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Thank you. I appreciate you for liking and subscribing. And I will see y'all in the morning. You have a good one too, bruh Trippin' and Dark whatever. And Rohi if you're still here. Thank y'all. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye. Bye, KR. Bye, KR24. Bye.